If you're on the hunt for cutting-edge AI software that can transform your workflow, you've probably heard of Visuali AI. But is it really the game changer it claims to be? In this review, I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick around till the end because I've got some valuable insights and a special offer that could save you time and money. First off, Visuali AI just hit the market, and it's already generating a ton of buzz. This software is designed to help businesses automate key tasks like content creation, data analysis, and customer interaction. Whether you're a digital marketer, entrepreneur, or just looking to streamline your processes, Visuali is geared towards simplifying complex tasks with ease. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description. What sets Visuali apart is its intuitive user interface. Unlike other AI tools that require a steep learning curve, Visuali's platform is clean and easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it right away. From its drag and drop features to its quick setup process, Visuali makes it easy for anyone to jump in and get started. One of the most powerful features of Visuali AI is its ability to automate content generation. With just a few prompts, it can create high-quality blog posts, social media captions, and even full-fledged marketing emails. For content creators and marketers, this is a massive time saver. It's like having a virtual content assistant on standby 24/7, ready to help you with your next post, video script, or email campaign. Another thing that's worth mentioning is the AI's analytics capabilities. Visuali goes beyond just generating content. It also provides data-driven insights. The software can analyze user behavior, engagement metrics, and content performance, helping you make informed decisions about your marketing strategy. This can be a game changer if you're trying to optimize your campaigns and drive better results. What's also impressive is the software's integration with other tools. Visuali AI works seamlessly with platforms like Google Analytics, social media dashboards, and CRM systems. This means you can consolidate all your data into one place, making your marketing efforts more organized and efficient. If you're worried about scalability, Visuali AI has you covered. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a growing team, the software scales with your needs. From managing a single campaign to handling multiple projects, Visuali's robust features can handle the workload. One thing that stands out with Visuali is its customer support. Many AI platforms leave you on your own once you sign up, but with Visuali, you get top-notch customer service. The team is responsive and their knowledge base is extensive, providing you with resources to troubleshoot or maximize the software's potential. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. How does this compare to other AI tools on the market? Well, after trying thousands of AI platforms, Visuali stands out for its unique combination of user-friendly design, powerful automation features, and insightful analytics. It's a tool that's not only easy to use, but also delivers results that can elevate your digital marketing game. Before we wrap up, remember you can try Visuali AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Also, check out my recommended AI software, which I've carefully selected after testing hundreds of platforms. These tools are the real deal, so if you're looking to level up your AI game, you'll want to explore them. That's it for my Visuali AI review, a tool that's definitely worth checking out if you're looking to supercharge your marketing and streamline your processes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.